Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Isingoma Triumph. So I come to take you through the truncation and wildcards. So begin with our outline, where we shall look at the definition, symbols, and then when and how to use them effectively. So we shall begin with our definition, which says that truncation and wildcards, that these are techniques used to modify words by shortening or substituting letters to retrieve variation of terms in information searching. So that is our definition for truncation and wildcards. Shall go to the next slide, which is the symbols, where we have the asterisk. So it looks like a star. So here what I tried to do, I tried to combine the symbols and when and how to use the symbols effectively. So I'll just go direct each symbol. I explain it when and how it will be used effectively. So now, as you see, this asterisk, we use it in truncation or wildcard for multiple letters. I'll give an example. For example, in the bank accounts, like maybe a personal account, you may find that symbol which is always there, as maybe they don't want people to see your bank account number, so they use that symbol. So when do we use that symbol? To find all word endings or variation. For example, educate, then it can symbolize many words like education, educator, educating. Like child, which can symbolize child, children, and childhood. Then we place it at the end of the root word for truncation. So it's always placed at the end, as you all see here. It is placed at the end. So we shall go on another symbol, which is a question mark. A question mark is used in wildcard for a single letter. So when then is to account for spelling differences. For example, womb, then question mark, and then n. So that one will be representing woman or women. Then organize, then question mark, Asian. So this is organization. So this one used within or at the uncertain letter. So that's when we use the question mark symbol. So in other formats, it can also be used at the end of a question. Normally it's used at the end of the question. So in case of any question, you end with a question mark. So shall go on our symbol, which is a $sign. So use it is wildcard for 0 or 1 character in some databases. So when it is to cover optional letters in a word, for example, color, then honor, then we use where letters may or may not appear. So this is how we use it, the $sign. But it can also be used maybe in currencies, maybe money. So these symbols are used in different ways, as I've been giving you other examples. Like this one, I said the $sign can be used also to calculate. Like for example, they give you money in dollar, you must change it. For example, let me give an example of the Ugandan currency. You may find $1 is like 3,800. So you find that to change the money you are given in dollars to Uganda shillings, you multiply by that amount to get the actual amount of money. So this is what I tried to present to you on our topic today, which was truncation and wildcards. So I remain Single My Triumph. Thank you. Follow, like, comment on my channel for more videos and for more lectures and study. Thank you very much.